So this is a sight glass. So what we're going to do is we're going to install this sight glass so we can get a really accurate charge with the refrigerant. Now this is glass, right? And what happens is if you don't put a wet rag over it, because I have cracked them before if it gets too hot. Some technicians are really fast with the blowtorch, or it depends what kind of blowtorch you use too. But if you're using like a regular brazing blowtorch, this glass will crack. So you want to get a wet rag and you want to put a wet rag over it. So that way it does the glass doesn't crack. Okay? See that? So now now it's a little hard to weld this because you got that rag in the way. So I can't get a really good position with that rag. Okay, that's it. So what you want to do is, it's steaming hot. So you want to take the rag off really quick. And then what you want to do is you want to cool this part down so the glass doesn't get hot and crack. Alright, thanks for watching the video.